Zelda, what are we heading over to do? What are we doing?
Going outside.
But where are we gonna go?
To the zoo.
To the zoo. What are we gonna see at the zoo? Monkeys and stuff?
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna see monkeys. Maybe we'll see rabbits. Will that be okay? Okay, let's go. We're gonna go see the animals next door, right? Okay. Yes, we can go. My neighbor has quite a few animals. All we have is dogs and cats at our house, but he's got a veritable zoo over here. And he actually has his own YouTube channel, so. You what?
I have doggies at my neighbor.
Oh, your neighbors have doggies, okay. But he has a YouTube channel, so I'll try to link it in here. Let's hold hands while we cross the street. There we go. It's a very busy street. All right, we'll head up. Neighbor's name is Mr. Matt. Okay?
We have to go at this house.
Yep. Okay.
North Dakota, all I've heard about North Dakota is ice and sleet and hail and all kinds of things that really aren't too fun weather-wise.
Okay, we're heading over to the neighbor's zoo here. Look at all of his cool stuff he's got. My neighbor's very creative. No. I'm gonna link your channel here. I like the videos you make.
The card opening ones?
I haven't checked them out yet. You were talking about them.
Yeah, I've been opening a lot of baseball cards. And watch, one thing that's really cool about them, if you put it in your hand and you put your hand down there, they'll eat it right out of your hand. Except you don't want the turtle to eat it right out of your hand because she's not very good with her aim. She might take and nip your finger every once in a while.
Papa, do you see that finger?
So excited.
You're on a video, young lady.
Now back behind here.
All right, he's got some peacocks up here. There's one up there.
And there she is back over behind the
There's
bush.
one kind of back here. Ooh, oh, look it. Sticking his head out. Oh, that's a her. Sticking her head out. It's a peahen.
That's the mama. Exactly. There's only one peacock in here.
Did you see the peacocks and the peahen? Oh, look right behind you. Look right behind you here.
Turtle's name is
What's that?
Chloe.
It's a bird.
Oh, what?
That's amazing.
You're really protective.
The chicken.
What's up, Banana?
Oh, he just got around.
Oh, he's my good goaty boy.
We got the goat. There's the baby chicks.
There are 9 of them this year.
Very nice.
Yeah. And she already had one chick earlier. So this would be her
Do you want to see the goat?
2nd through 10th. Yeah, we can go up there.
He's right here.
Those are cool to pet.
Look, you see his beard? Looks like Papa, huh?
What?
And this is a sweetheart. Her name is Vaquita. Her name is Little Cow. Oh, my baby.
You see it?
The white ones are named Tiffany and Felicia.
Come over here.
And then their Peking ducks and they're both female.
You can come right over here.
And then the brown one is a Nevada mallard, and his name is Coco.
Look at that pool. Yucky.
That pool is yucky?
Yeah.
You don't want to swim in that one, huh?
Yeah, ducks get yucky. They like to take their mud and then they see their feathers are all white, but their pool is all dirty. She's such a sweetheart.
Puppy?
Oh, he's a good boy. He's like, yes, I love the cameras.
Do you like the goats, Zelda?
Yeah. Oh, really?
Look, this one here.
Look at that big one.
Oh, they have soft ears, just like the puppies.
Oh, Mommy,
He
look.
really prefers an IPA.
There's a big spider.
He'll drink the grapefruit sculpin. Oh, she's such a sweet baby.
The goats have their own slide.
Yeah, they've got a slide and they've got thing to go up on. They like to go up on it.
Goats. Look at that goat.
Oh, he's up there.
It's his one trick that he knows. He'll do it for beer.
Mommy, is that goat gonna
That's
die?
funny.
He's a good boy.
Yes, goats like beer.
Yes, goats too. It's got barley and
Did you know that they call chiefs goats? That's right. Navy Chiefs are goats.
Yeah.
They like beer too.
greatest of all times.
Good.
Well,
I know. Well, that's questionable, but
that's questionable.
that's a title that's given.
Well, the Navy mascot is a goat, so. The first one was called El Cid, and that means the goat. You like the goats?
Oh, a puppy.
The tongue working.
Come on down.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Come
You're
on.
gonna be smarter than the average goat.
You won't-
Oh, you want it so bad.
Oh,
Is he gonna do it? I don't think he'll do it. Oh, he's too smart a goatee. He's like, look it, I can just wait till it falls into my mouth. There you go, goatee.
Loves it.
He loves it. Oh, he's like, well, grapefruit, I understand. You can only have so much grapefruit sculpin. That's about enough. It's funny, they've actually lost weight since they've lived here. When I got them, they were big fat bunnies. His chin was way fatter underneath.
The big
but
dewlap.
that hole that's underneath there, that goes about 5 feet down into the ground down under there. Look at, there he goes. Go, bud. He's like, you mean this hole?
Big bunnies.
buddy, get out.
And it gets so hot, dude, I had to get the big watering thing for him, you know. Everything around here has to have a
Is that goat your best pal now?
He just wants love from you, Tom. He's like, look at that.
Airplane.
He likes to play. And she is a sweetheart, little Vaquita. Vaquita means little cow in Spanish.
Are you trying to push me over, huh? I'll push you over. There.
He likes it though. Watch, he's gonna come back at you.
Yeah.
He loves it.
He likes to play.
Yeah, he does, dude. He's funny. He goes at Ridgie sometimes. And if we were to go down right now, watch,
Is he?
he'll get in front of the gate and not let us out. I'm gonna leave.
All right. Well, Zelda had a good time over there at the neighbor's zoo. And Matt's got quite a collection of animals going on. He doesn't have a dachshund though. Right, Wilbur? All right, if you're digging what I'm putting out, give me a thumbs up, and if you would, leave a comment down below. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios. Say adios, Zelda. Adios. Not today.